Hey there.
Hey, good morning.
How you guys doing today?
We're doing great. What about yourself? How's the morning? Right.
Pretty good. Pretty good. We'll see. I'm gonna help a friend dig out, and so
Okay.
I don't know if I'm ready for it.
Good luck. Be safe.
Thank
Hopefully
you.
it's not too bad. Drive safe.
Okay, so we're on our way back up the mountain. We're gonna check on the house, and first I'm gonna go to our friend Rachel's house, get her some supplies, some chicken feed, and we're going to try and dig her car out, see how that goes. I had to hike in because there's no place to park, but here's our place. We got chicken feed for the chickens, and we're gonna get to work. Get the chicken feed to the chickens. Down he goes. And oh, there's the chickens. I see them. Hi guys. Okay, alright, food guys. You guys okay? Hello? Hi Box, you alright? Got a car. It's getting there. Rachel's car. See if it comes out. Yeah.